Hey everybody! So today is Valentine's Day, and we're going to change it up a little bit from our normal video, and I've decided to do something special for my wife. We're going to go ride in a helicopter and oversee the downtown area of Louisville, Kentucky. Yay! I'm just sitting here. I'm Sean Johnson. Follow along from mode of transportation to expedition to destination to create your own bucket list and experience life from an epic perspective. So I want to thank Cardinal Aviation for being the sponsor of this video. They're asking me to take some good videos and tag them in this video to the channel so that they can get a little bit of publicity. If you ever want to do anything with flight instruction or learn how to get your pilot's license, come over here to Cardinal Wings in Louisville, Kentucky. Or you can even take up a helicopter ride just like what we're doing here today and take your loved one up on Valentine's Day or even a random day throughout the year. So thanks a lot for Cardinal Wings for sponsoring this video. Forever free.
Cardinal 1 requesting city tour. Here on our low right, downtown buildings.
Take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me were meant to be outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Oh, that was awesome. We got to have a whole bunch of fun in a helicopter on Valentine's Day. What do you think, babe?
It's awesome.
Yeah? Happy Valentine's Day. I love you. All right, guys. Well, hey, I hope you like this video. Come and see Cardinal Wings Aviation here in Louisville, Kentucky. You're welcome to get your private pilot's license. Just go on a sightseeing tour in a helicopter or even a regular airplane. But if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And remember, live life from an epic perspective.
Forever.